What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another sneaker video. Today we got another New Balance. So on my last video with the Rose, I did mention that I would have the Sneakers and Stuff collaboration on this pack. So here we go. Pretty basic box. Definitely like that old school. Like I have not seen a box like this from New Balance in a while. So I went with the 10.5, my true to size. I haven't tried this one out, haven't opened up this one, but I did try on the Rose 574, and true to size worked for me. Although I have seen a few comments where people had wished they had gone up a half size, but for me, fits pretty good. So basically just lift off the top here. So for some of you that maybe don't know, this is a collaboration or based on a collaboration done in 2007 with Sneakers and Stuff. Now this colorway, I don't really know if they have a name for this, but I've kind of seen it go as go by the name of the Erik. So off the top, pretty crazy color scheme. So you got kind of like a lime green for the N, laces, and then you have like a suede around here. Oh, and by the way, the N is suede. You do have some suede around the toe box here with kind of like a nubuck, I would say, for the brown part on the toe area, as well as kind of like a nubuck on this around the heel. You do have some leather back here in black. And then you do have some more of that, kind of that suede that's found on the toe box right around the ankle area. The tongue is in that brown kind of nubuck material. And then you do have some pink stitching for the New Balance 574, as well as a pink inner lining. Now this does come with some extra laces. Let me go ahead and take a look at that. Bring the other one out. So you do come with some extra laces, with the green, of course, the lime green, obviously the ones in there already. And then you also have a black, same type of lace that you have already in the shoe, but a black lace, as well as a white lace. On the inside, it's a little bit different. So it just has like the standard kind of New Balance running with SNS for Sneakers and Stuff on there. Bottom, all white out. It's pretty basic, but definitely can't say the colorway is basic. So it's pretty crazy. This one to me seems to be like the most hyped of the four that released. I am not the biggest fan of the 574. The 574 is probably one of my least favorite New Balances for sure, but this colorway definitely caught my eye. Now, I guess a few things that we should point out. Whenever it comes to New Balance, I tend to go for anything that's made in America. That's typically what I'm drawn to because the quality is very, very good. Now this one, it isn't made in America. This is made in, made in Asia pair, so it is made in Vietnam. Really, the only reason I picked this one up was because of the colorway. The materials, although the suede is pretty nice for a shoe at this price point, which retail price of $120. It's really not so bad, the leather around here, or sorry, the suede around the toe box, but the leather right here in this area, definitely very stiff, not the nicest quality leather. And then I've had a few 574s in the past, many years ago before I tried on any other models, and they're really not the most comfortable in my opinion. But this colorway, I mean, last time it was released back in 2007, so who knows if they'll ever do it again. I know this was part of kind of like they call it the Iconic collection. It's very nice, but is it my favorite model? No. Definitely an interesting colorway, not for everyone, of course. And it might be a little difficult to match it with something, but you can rest assured that these will stick out. I'll go ahead and throw in a few pictures. Oh, and then just one more thing to kind of mention. So on the outside, you have the lime green N with the suede. On the inside, you have like the shorter, like the nubuck, and in a brown to kind of match the back. So Definitely stands out. You won't really see any of these in public. I doubt you'll see anything close to this like that in public on a New Balance. Price-wise, $120 wasn't bad. It was like $10 shipping. I got lucky and I won the raffle, which is the first raffle I've won through Sneakers and Stuff. Retail, these seem to be selling a little bit more than the other ones, or sorry, resale is a little bit more than the other ones, but I think around like 200, maybe 250 at the most. But as people start getting their pairs, you might see that drop a little bit. So if you're really interested in the colorway, I would definitely recommend maybe not waiting too long because they could possibly go up in price. I don't know how limited they were, really no numbers as far as that, but I would guess that since there was 4 different shoes in the collection, there probably weren't too many made in each color. So yeah, I'll go ahead and throw a few pictures up on here. Let me know if you have any questions. Definitely appreciate any likes or new subscribers from this video. I try to put out videos pretty often with a different, I guess, variety of different shoes. Try not to stick to one in particular. But yeah, that'll be it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll show you some pictures now.
Sold number 338.